guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the very last box of 2018. This is the last one. The year is practically over. Well, it's not. We have like 3 weeks to go, but it doesn't matter. This is it. The last box, the goodie box, and it feels particularly light. So please, dear Lord, that let it not be that this box is gonna suck, because that will be a sucky end to 2018. Okay, opening it up. Let's see. The reflection box. Okay. I don't know what that means. So let's open up the booklet. There we go. Wow, there is literally nothing in here. Like, they made this big of a box for just this. I mean, ooh, I don't know if that's a good thing. Okay, so let's take everything out of here. Let's see. Come on, let's rip up the paper. Is that all? Yes, that is all. Wow, there is really not much in here. So I'm just going to start with the biggest mother load of all, which is from Pierre. Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me. Freaking hell. Okay, this is the first and worst probably product in here, because this is the Pro Concealer Palette that we received in another box a couple of boxes ago that I didn't use either, and I'm not going to use this one. Is this a full size? Yeah, it's a full size. It costs 28 euros. It's ridiculously high priced. Never pay that much money for just a concealer palette. That's ridiculous, and I'm not going to use it. So what a sucky start. Okay, moving on to this. What's this? This is a very small little thing from Rituals. Okay, that is cool. This is the Ritual of Ayurveda or something. Natural dry oil for body and hair. Okay, sounds promising. Smells okay. It's the Ritual scent, but it's not particularly a scent that I'm like crazy about. And clearly, this ain't a full size. So let's see in the booklet. Yeah, it's not a full size. So this is what that little fella looks like. Really excited to give it a try though. It costs $19.50, and that will be 100 milliliters. And this is 30 milliliters. So I wanted to say 1/3, but it's actually not quite 1/3. But let's just say 1/3 for, you know, easiness. Pretty cool. This is a nice product. I like receiving Ritual stuff in here. So really excited to give it a try. Moving on to a little pot from Gosh. And this is the Effect Powder in 001 Satin. And that is this little fella. Is this a full size? I think it is. Yes, it's a full size. Okay. And we're going to see what it looks like, because it looks pretty decent. Are you going to get out of there? Just a little bit on what could I... I'm going to place it a little bit on the paper. Come on, out of there. Is anything like coming out? Come on. Can I make a decent swatch? I think I could make like a little swatchy swatch of this. So hopefully you guys are able to see that through the camera and all these lights. I'm not really sure. But this is what that little fella looks like. And now we're going to swatch it a little bit if we can. Ooh, looks very shiny. Ooh, that's a very nice color. Yeah, you guys aren't able to see anything from there. But it is a nice pink toned color. And I'm pretty, you know, happy with this. Is this necessarily what I would think like a glittery, beautiful look would be? No, but it is decent and it's nice. And it costs 10 euros. Okay, 2 more items in here and the box is empty. So let's start with this from Balance Me. It's the Vitamin C Repair Serum with hyaluronic acid. That is always great, hyaluronic acid, but I will honestly say that Balance Me and myself don't really have the best relationship. So of course I'm going to try this out. This is clearly not a full size, because this is just 10 milliliters. How much is a full size? The full size is 30 milliliters, so this is 1/3 of that, and the full size costs 36 euros. I am very excited to give it a try and see if it does anything, but knowing Balance Me and my skin don't always match. So yeah, excited to see what it does. Okay, down to the last item, which is Lord & Berry, and I'm really happy about that because I love Lord & Berry. So this is what it looks like, and as you can see, like the pencil has glitters in here, so I'm just gonna assume, yes, there are glitters in here. I love it. So let's swatch that. Is it silver or is it golden? It's definitely more of a silver color. Hopefully you guys are able to pick up on the glitter. I'm not really sure if the glitter is going to show up on camera or not, but I love it. I love these like eye pencils with glitter. It's a full size and it costs 16 euros. Wow, 7 minutes and I'm already done. That was it, guys. That was this month's box, the last box of the year. Did we go out with an actual bang? No. I don't think we did. This, and I think the rituals as well. This is what I expect in a holiday box. Amazingness. These two, whatever. It's kind of a Christmassy box, but it's not their best box. I'm just gonna be honest, it's not. I like the items. I'm definitely gonna use 4 out of the 5, because this one, you'll see it in another giveaway yet again. So I have 2, so this is gonna come by in a giveaway twice. Yeah, let me know down below in the comment section, what do you guys think? Before the end of the year, we're 8 subscribers away. 8 people were 8 subscribers away from giving away the box. I would love for me to give that box away before Christmas. Y'all can help me with that. We need to find 8 more subscribers, and I'm giving away a huge giveaway. First link in the bio, make sure to check it out, because I would really love to give that box away before Christmas, is like or at least for Christmas, I don't know, as like a Christmas present to somebody. And straight after that, another giveaway will start, an even bigger giveaway. I already assembled the box. I have to film that video. But yeah, first, this giveaway needs to end. Y'all could help me with it, and everybody who helps me out with that or shares the video, shares the picture on Instagram, because I have the Instagram picture as well, link in the bio, as well to my Instagram as to the video, y'all get an extra entry. And everybody that has been subscribed through you get an extra entry for it. So you can actually win, you know, you have like a bigger chance to win. So yeah, make sure to check it out. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching the last unboxing box of 2018. The first, I should say the next unboxing will be in 2019. Can you guys believe it? Oh my God. Thank y'all so much for watching. Thank y'all for sticking out with me through 2018 and all the years prior to that. Hopefully, I will see all of you back in 2019, healthy and happy, and I will see you guys in 2019. Bye!